here.
Okay.
Get up and just take this one.
Let's go.
Yep, get some more.
Nope.
Get some more. We need more. We need more. Get your feet out of the cookies. Here, get some more. Now you get to put the cookie dough on top of it. Put this on top. Wait a minute. You gotta sprinkle it first. Sprinkle, sprinkle.
Let's go back in.
With actual flour though. This. Okay, now roll it. Good job.
Yay!
Uh-oh. You gotta wash the cookie cutter real quick. Dropped it.
Pumpkin.
I'm ready to bunny.
Put it on the cooking sheet.
Okay.
Perfect.
I'll get toward the pumpkin again.
You wanna do the pumpkin again? Okay. Then roll it again.
Perfect.
Roll it again.
I tried.
Hold on, you gotta roll it first.
Okay. Yeah, pumpkin. I tried. I tried to pumpkin again.
Okay. It's really hard.
Okay. I did the
This is the final cookie. This is the before. We'll be cooking them and we'll see how they turned out later.
Yep.
Oh. Cleaning up is a very important step of cooking. Cooking now?
I got eyes. I did
You poke in the eye? Come here, let's turn off the timer. Can you reach it?
polka dot. No.
Alright. You stay back there. See your pumpkins?
This one looks like Shrek.
Now we get to look
Yeah.
cool. Are you ready to make the frosting? Are you ready to make the frosting? Okay. We need a bowl. Can you come get a bowl? We need a big one. Mm-hmm. Here's your spoon, your whisk. Okay. You gotta put that in the bowl.
What is it?
What is this? Do you know what that is?
Bread.
It's powdered sugar.
It's bread.
Here, pick up the cup and dump it in there. There you go. Very good.
Perfect.
And then you gotta put this in there. Do you know what this is?
Yes.
Put that in there. Mhm.
You are cooking now. Yes.
Uh-huh. Can you stir it now?
Looking like frosting.
Now you gotta spread it out. Spread it out. Like this. Frosting
I'm gonna
out
make
first.
the coolest cookies. I need more.
Wee.
I know.
Baby girl.
Here you go.
Thank you.
What kind of toppings do you want on yours, Violet?
Great photo.
Which one? Oh, hold on. You gotta pick one. Look, that one. Gotta dump it out. Very good. Very nice. Are you done with these? Okay. Do you want anything else? What else?
Black.
Black?
Red.
Red one?
Almond blue.
Okay, hold on.
Yeah, my blue.
Whoop.
The way.
There you go. Squeeze it very gently. Yep. Very nice.
Done.
Done. Good job.
I did.
You're doing
Big one.
nice. There you go. Thank you.
One.
This one?
Okay, I'm gonna.
How to open them. Just twist. Whoa! Put some here. You don't have any on that side. Please help. You are strong. Thank you.
Num num num. Num 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 num.
Oh my gosh, I'm so smart. Are we ready to? We're ready to what? Oh, okay. Did you put enough yellow sprinkles on there?
I did. The red one.
I think we have enough sprinkles. Violet, are they good? Wow, ta-da, my cookies!
I love
Those
them.
are great.
Thank you.
Violet. Violet.
Stop.
Hey, Violet.
Easy.
Violet. Hey. Yoo-hoo. Can you say thanks for watching?
Thank you.